Hi, this is the ZTE Blade A72s and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should just hold for a while home screen with your finger, then tap on the widgets icon, and after that you'll see here all of the available applications which widgets you could add. For example, let's add the calendar schedule. Just tap once on the widget and now it's added successfully to our home screen. By the same way, you could just tap on each of these widgets and they will add it automatically to your home screen. If you want to move the widget here on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it. Just to remove the widget from the home screen, you should hold the tap to remove icon. Also, if you want just another widgets, they got another setting. So if you want to resize the widget, you should just hold it and just make it bigger or smaller. But for example, the Google search widget just have no this option to just change the size, so that's why you could only move it and just to remove it from your home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.